Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unlock Ancient Incubator in Palworld. And to do this, you'll need to open your Technology tab, then scroll down and it should be located in Ancient Technology right here. So to get the points for an Ancient Technology, you will need to defeat bosses, and that will grant you the Ancient Technology points. When you unlock it, you'll be able to build it with Palladium fragments, cloth, stone and Ancient Civilization parts. You can also get the Ancient Civilization parts from dungeons or from the world bosses as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.